Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to do another new drawing, and this drawing we will draw the drawing from the letters, alphabetical letters actually. So let's write mom here. So M O M, mom means mother. Now we'll put the eyes here. Actually we're drawing the picture of mother from the word mom. This is the eyes. Let's put the nose and the lips here. This is how we complete the face. Drawing of the face. So this is the long hair. We connect it from this line and the body. She has nice clothes. With a very good design. So the drawing is done. Now we can do little bit detailing on the hair. The more detailed drawing, the more interesting the picture. It takes little bit time, but it makes the drawing really good. See, the picture is getting more alive than before. It looks more better, more okay. We are going to put little shades here. And put a little shades on the neck too. She has a ornamented clothes, nice clothes. Detailing is almost done. The nose. It's like a little background. Alright, so thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and put the bell icons on to get any new updates from this channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.